Hi friends, when to try to upload full profile picture? Here is problem. Example, I upload this profile picture on WhatsApp. Here you can see crop option. Today we know how to upload full profile picture on WhatsApp. Simply download an application from Play Store. Simply open the Play Store. Click on the search bar. Here type Whatscrop. Simply search. Here you can find many application, but you can download first application. This is logo of application. I already download this application. Open the application, click on the photos, select photos, select the profile picture, click on the next. Simply you can punch out your profile picture. Click on the save button, save photos, open the WhatsApp, select your profile picture. Simply you can upload full profile picture on WhatsApp. Done. You can see how to upload full profile picture.